Number 6. The Nikon Z6i. I is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera that marks a significant leap forward in hybrid photography and videography, blending professional-grade performance with cutting-edge innovation. Built around a newly developed, partially stacked 24/5 MP CMOS sensor and the lightning-fast Expeed 7 image processor, the Z6 III delivers an extraordinary balance of speed, dynamic range, and low-light capability, making it ideal for both still shooters and filmmakers alike. With an impressive 6060p unraw internal recording, it caters to serious videographers looking for cinematic quality and editing flexibility, while also offering 10-bit 4K, 60p ProRes RAW, and H.265 recording for smoother workflows. The autofocus system is fast, intelligent, and deeply customizable, using deep learning-based subject detection to track people, animals, vehicles, and more with precision across the entire frame. Photographers will appreciate the blistering 20 FPS burst speed with the mechanical shutter and up to 120 FPS in JPEG with the electronic shutter, allowing them to capture split-second moments with accuracy. The Z6 III also introduces a game-changing 5.76 m.2 EVF with a 4000 nit brightness level 1, of the brightest in its class, providing crystal clear visibility, even in harsh sunlight, and making manual focusing a pleasure. Coupled with in-body 5-axis image stabilization that works seamlessly with Nikon's growing Z-mount lens lineup, it ensures sharper shots in challenging conditions. Ergonomically, the camera maintains Nikon's signature grip and intuitive controls. Now housed in a robust, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body that's built to endure professional use in all kinds of environments. Additionally, the Z6 III supports pre-release capture, allowing users to record frames before fully pressing the shutter button, an invaluable tool for wildlife, sports, or any action photography. It also includes dual card slots, SVEXpress, Type B and SDU-HS2, a variangle LCD touchscreen, and advanced wireless connectivity for fast file transfers and remote shooting. All these features come together to create a truly versatile tool for creators who demand excellence in both still and motion imaging, positioning the Nikon Z6 III as a flagship hybrid camera that doesn't compromise on performance, speed, or creative freedom. Number 5. The Nikon ZF is a full-frame, mirrorless camera that masterfully fuses vintage aesthetics with modern imaging technology, creating a unique tool that appeals to both enthusiasts and professionals seeking performance with classic flair. Drawing inspiration from Nikon's iconic film cameras, the ZF features a beautifully designed body with tactile dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation. Yet beneath its retro styling lies the cutting-edge power of the Expeed 7 processor and high-resolution 24/5 MP BSI CMOS sensor. This combination allows for stunning image quality with impressive detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance, making it equally adept in studio settings, street photography, and documentary-style shooting. The camera offers up to 30 FPS, burst shooting in JPEG, and 14-bit RAW shooting at 14 FPS, ensuring that decisive moments are never missed. For video creators, the ZF delivers exceptional 4K UHD video at 60p oversampled from 6K, along with support for 10-bit H.265 internal recording and advanced features such as focus peaking, zebra patterns, and in-camera N-Log, giving filmmakers. Number 4. The Nikon Z8 is a professional full-frame, mirrorless hybrid camera that encapsulates the flagship-level performance of the Z9 into a more compact and lightweight body, delivering powerful still and video capabilities for demanding creators. At its core is a 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor paired with the ultra-fast Expeed 7 processor, enabling blazing fast readout speeds blackout-free real-time viewfinder performance, and a shutterless design that eliminates mechanical wear while allowing for ultra-silent operation. The Z8 captures stills at up to 20 frames per second in RAW and up to 120 FPS in JPEG, ideal for high-speed action, wildlife, or sports photography where precision and timing are critical. Autofocus performance is driven by a 493-point phase detection system with deep learning-based subject recognition that can identify and track people, animals, vehicles, birds, and more across the entire frame, even in low-light situations. For videographers, the Z8 stands out as a cinematic powerhouse, offering 8.3K 60p NRAW internal recording, 4.1K 60p ProRes RAW, and 10-bit 4000 up to 120p, with extensive color grading flexibility thanks to support for N-Log and HLG. The camera's heat management system allows for extended video recording without overheating, a crucial feature for professional workflows. With advanced features like waveform monitoring, focus peaking, and zebra stripes, it's tailored for serious video production. Number 3. The Nikon D850 is a 45-7np full-frame FX format DSLR camera that stands as a benchmark in professional photography, renowned for its stunning resolution, robust build quality, and unmatched versatility across genres from landscape and studio to wildlife and sports. At the heart of the D850 is a backside illuminated CMOS sensor with no optical low-pass filter, allowing it to capture breathtaking detail, rich colors, and wide dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. Paired with the Expeed 5 image processor, it delivers fast performance. Number 2. The Nikon Z30 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera designed with content creators, vloggers, and everyday shooters in mind, blending high-quality imaging with a user-friendly interface in a highly portable form. Built around a 29 MPa PSC CMOS sensor and the fast Expeed 6 image processor, the Z30 delivers impressive image quality with sharp detail, accurate colors, and excellent low-light performance, all in a body small enough to carry anywhere. It supports 4K UHD video recording at up to 30p with no crop, along with full HD at 120p for smooth slow-motion footage, making it a great tool for storytelling on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. The camera features a fully articulating vari-angle touchscreen LCD, perfect for framing shots from any angle or for direct-to-camera vlogging, and its high-quality stereo microphones ensure clear, natural audio with an external mic jack available. For even more professional sound, the autofocus system is quick and intelligent, with eye and face detection for humans and animals in both stills and video, keeping subjects sharp and in focus even when moving. With continuous shooting up to 11 frames per second, the Z30 can easily handle fast action or fleeting moments. It also includes features like time-lapse, easy-to-use creative picture controls, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for quick sharing and remote shooting through the SnapBridge app. Number 1. The Nikon Z502 is a compact mirrorless camera that blends powerful performance with portability, designed to meet the needs of photography enthusiasts, vloggers, and creators looking for high-quality stills and video in a lightweight package. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the Z502 features a 29 MPa PSC CMOS sensor paired with an updated image processor that delivers fast performance, rich color reproduction, and excellent low-light capability across a broad ISO range. Whether capturing everyday moments, dynamic street scenes, or professional-looking portraits, this camera offers sharp, detailed results with minimal noise. For video creators, the Z502 shines with 4K UHD recording at up to 60p with no crop, ensuring smooth, high-resolution footage that maintains the field of view of your lenses.